Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the top vent trim on your electric range, make sure the appliance is pulled out far enough to access the rear. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the vent trim to the main top. Lift off the old trim. Install the new top vent trim by aligning the tabs on the trim with the slots in the main top. Then thread the screws to secure. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.